Good morning, dear friends. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I start my day with the simple questions. I express deep appreciation for the small step that I achieve each day. And I wanted to ask you one simple questions. How many of you wake up at morning and snooze the heat button? Unless and until you going to sleep, that is not worth. So when you go to snooze the heat button, you don't hit snooze button for more sleep. You hit snooze button to reduce your productivity, your effectiveness, your activeness. So your subconscious mind is your true friends. Whenever you give them a good habit, good discipline, good action, they will tell you that you are doing wrong and you are doing correct. So instead of that subconscious mind, make your friends comfortable, make your friends always available with you. I, my dear friends, today I am covering the topic of the surroundings. The surroundings will change your life, your environment, your peoples, your colleagues, your room partner, your family members. It will change your life. Growth mindset or negative mindset. There is two type of mindset people available in this world. One, they will tell you that do everything, do achieve everything, do complete things, do hard work, do discipline, learn something new, but deep inside they will not want to you win. So that is called as negative mindset. One is growth mindset. Growth mindset always help you, always tell you, push you forward, always encourage you, always inspire you, and no matter how they tell you, no matter how the situation and challenge is, you always thrive for excellence, you always thrive for success, you always thrive for your goal, your achievement, your success. My dear friends, there is two types of surroundings. One is light surrounding, one is dark surrounding. Light surrounding always lift you up. Dark surroundings always put you down. Dark surrounding means same repeated day, repeated things, scrolling, repeated work, no any job, no any happiness, no any work-life balance. Means it's a dark surroundings. Light surroundings is sunlight, your natural air, your outside people, your new people meeting, strangers. They will give you, enhance your energy, push you forward, tell you that you can do more, you can do more, you are able to do more, you are capable enough to do more, you can earn more, you can learn more, and you can lead more. So that type of positive people call as light surroundings. So always, dear friends, choose to be a light surrounding. Always choose your light surrounding, always choose your growth mindset surroundings. So when your growth mindset and light surroundings meet in your life, your life, my dear friends, will start change into your progressive life, progressive man. So there is every man and woman successful, one progressive man and one progressive woman available. In my journey, my mother, my father and my sister are available beyond my till the my I am standing on my feet. Today I am standing on my feet and I am delivering TED Talks speech and I am delivering that Toastmaster speech. So no matter how hard the situation was, I overcome all the challenges, I overcome all the situation. I never listen to the other people advice, free advice. I listen to my inside voice, what I am capable of, what I am unique of, what is the best unique quality I have that nobody can have in this world, and I can change myself day by day. It will take, my dear friends, it will take a lot of effort when you start your change your life. You have to sacrifice your old habit, you have to sacrifice your old patterns of thinking, you have to sacrifice your old patterns of talking, you have to sacrifice your old patterns of reading, listening, everything you have to forget. You have to leave them your old habit, leave them your old pattern of thinking, leave them your old pattern of reading, leave them your old pattern of helping the people's talk with confidence, talk with clarity, talk with epicness, means epic clarity, epic focus, epic potential, epic excellence. So whenever you are in that situation, my dear friends, I know you all guys are my friends and you are thinking about me, what this guy are doing off. But my dear friends, listen very carefully. I am doing practice, I am doing everyday practice. I am not considered as a good speaker or good public speaker, but whatever comes in my mind, I automatically it will deliver to you, so that you also able to think, you also able to speak. My dear friends, language is not a barrier. You have to speak every day. If you speak every day, you'll be getting more confident, more fluency, more spontaneous, more clarity, more tonality. So that is the power of your daily language speakings. And so coming to the point, there is a two type of surroundings. So my dear friends, always choose to be a growth mindset with the people with growth mindset. Always live with light condition surroundings, not in dark condition surroundings. Means when you see the peoples, you feel distracted, then avoid these people to see, avoid these people to think about them. Please kindly avoid that peoples, kindly avoid that surroundings, kindly avoid that place where you will not get anything good and positive. So if you avoid this on daily basis, my dear friends, in a year, if you increase 1% thinking change habit inside you, in the 365 days in a year, you will be getting 35% better than average people. So don't be an average, be an elite public speaker, be an elite manager, be an elite store manager, be an elite son, be an elite husband, or don't be an average. And don't die people's poor. I don't want to die poor. I want to be die like a rich person, like a wealthy person, like a generation income wealth person. So that is my philosophy for the day. I thought you got distracted from that sound. This sound is always for hot water in PG, and I am living in PG, my dear friends. So now I am coming tomorrow with the same confidence, with the same new topic, spontaneous topic on random topic. I am able to speak in front of you. Please like, hit and comment me where I am doing mistakes and where I am correcting, and where what is this most part of your good life. So thank you, all the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. My dear friends, at the last, Krishna Dev reminding you, public speaking is not a perfection, it's all about connection. So connect with the people with 7. Thank you.